Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the fundamentals. An Apple Watch Series 4 or later with the ECG app enabled and watchOS updated. Put the watch on snugly against bare skin so electrodes read clean signals. Choose the wrist you'll use and relax it on a table. Once done, open the ECG app on the watch. You should sit still and avoid talking because motion and muscle noise disrupt the trace. This early setup reduces artifacts and speeds a reliable recording. You tap record and immediately rest a finger lightly on the digital crown to complete the circuit. Firm but comfortable contact provides a stable lead. Keep your arm and body still for the full 30 seconds. Small movements create baseline wander that obscures rhythms. During the recording, watch the on-screen waveform so you can see if it looks steady. And mentally note any symptoms like dizziness or palpitations, because syncing symptoms to the trace helps. When the 30 seconds finish, you save the recording and it syncs to the health app on your iPhone where you can review rhythm classification and export a PDF for your clinician. Make sure to attach any symptom notes you took during the trace. That context clarifies transient events. If the result shows poor quality or error, reseat the watch. Wipe your wrist and crown with a dry cloth. Wait 1 minute and try again. Motion, sweat, or loose contact are the usual culprits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.